Fun Toon Kids!
On a bright morning, a peaceful farm wakes up under a blue sky. Green fields shine, animals move slowly, and a small farmhouse stands quietly. Near the wooden gate sits Sheru, a loyal farm dog. His brown fur glows in the sunlight as he watches everything carefully. Sheru walks around the farm, checking fences, crops, and animals. "This farm is safe with me," he seems to say. Two small children run and play in the yard. Sheru sits beside them, wagging his tail and keeping watch. When night comes, the farm sleeps, but Sheru stays awake, walking under the moonlight. Suddenly, strangers try to enter the farm. Sheru barks loudly and runs toward the house. The farmer comes out, and the strangers run away. Morning arrives again. The children hug Sheru. The farmer smiles. Sheru is not just a dog. He is a true hero of the farm.
Thanks for watching!